Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to knit the cartridge belt rib stitch. Even though this stitch looks like ribbing and it's reversible and stretchy, it's not technically ribbing because it doesn't include purl stitches. Instead, it's created from knit stitches and slip stitches. It's only a 2-row pattern repeat, and you begin by casting on a multiple of 4 plus 3. I personally cast on 19 stitches using the long tail cast on, but you could use any method. Okay, so for row 1, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, you need to begin by knitting 3 stitches. Then you need to bring the working yarn between the needles to the front, like so, and then slip a stitch purlwise. To do this, just take the right hand needle down through the next stitch as if to purl, but instead of purling it, you just slip it off the end of the needle, like so. Then take the working yarn between the needles to the back again and knit 3. Then you simply repeat, slip 1 purlwise with the yarn in front, then knit 3 over and over until the end of the row. For row 2, you begin with 1 knit stitch. Then you slip 1 stitch purlwise with the yarn in front. So bring the working yarn to the front and slip 1 purlwise. And then knit 3 stitches. Then just repeat, slip 1 purlwise with the yarn in front, then knit 3 over and over until you've only got 2 stitches left. And when you reach the last 2 stitches, you slip 1 purlwise with the yarn in front, and then you knit 1. And that's it, that's the 2-row pattern repeat for the cartridge belt rib. Once you've repeated those 2 rows over and over, you'll get something that looks like this. As you can see, you get a cozy, reversible and stretchy fabric, which is also symmetrical. I really hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.